What I'll do here is kind of go through the course and explain some of the different things that I'm seeing and some of the things that I'm kind of thinking about as I'm creating it. So in this main page, the first thing that happens is a trigger that goes to the endpoint just to count the person that actually showed up and started the course. So from here, when I add my name, then it's going to go to the next slide. And now that I have the name, I'm actually going to put the name into the sheet as well. So now I know that somebody showed up and they actually took the next step and they're on the second page. So from here, this is a video-based course and I use cue points to pause the different sections and to start sections. This is an interaction. So depending on how you answer this, you'll go to a different branched page that's specific to what the person put into the course. Um, so that's what this is all about. From here, you go to the course that, or to the page that you've just selected because of the branching option on the previous slide. From here, basically, there's some narration that goes on, then you click through it when you want to. It's kind of a self-paced, quick little video. At the end, when we finally get there, basically what I'm doing is I'm using the feedback form and I'm going to put the person's name from the first screen in and have that be added into the feedback page, basically. Kind of a cheap trick, but it is something that I'm using that name for. And then I'm trying to collect that feedback, and you'll see how that feedback is quickly added to the sheet.
In most e-learning projects, designers and developers collaborate closely. For example, designers create Now that you understand the differences and overlaps between these roles, consider where your interests and skills align. Whether you lean towards design, development, or a blended role, your contributions are vital to creating impactful e-learning. Your next steps could be to reflect on your survey responses, explore further training in your areas of
And that's
interest,
about it. So now
collaborate
we
with
can use
peers to
this
deepen
data
your understanding of these roles.
to
Thank you for
create a
participating in
better
this course.
course
Your feedback
and to
would be
create a better
greatly
interaction.
appreciated.
And we know what the person selected, all outside of an LMS, independent of an LMS, but works in tandem with an LMS.